Timeless style meets modern living in the heart of Northport. Nestled on a quiet corner in the Village of Northport, this beautifully reimagined American Foursquare offers the perfect blend of classic charm and modern convenience. Taken down to the studs and thoughtfully rebuilt in 2015, including a tasteful kitchen expansion, this home feels like new while preserving its historic character. And you'll love the location. Perched on higher ground, just steps from the Northport Creek Golf Course, a short stroll to the village marina and beaches of Northport Bay, and only 3 blocks from the vibrant downtown shops, restaurants, and galleries. Whether you're heading to the farmer's market or catching a sunset at the harbor, everything is just a walk away. Inside, the home is flooded with natural light and exudes a calm, inviting energy. The open concept main floor is ideal for everyday living or entertaining, featuring warm oak floors and custom maple cabinetry. A wide 42-inch central staircase designed to accommodate a future lift adds thoughtful accessibility for long-term living. The oversized, insulated, and heated 2-car garage is perfect for a workshop, studio, or hobby space, no matter the season. A privacy fence encloses the yard, creating your own peaceful retreat just steps from all of the action. If you're dreaming of a place where life moves at a more relaxed pace, but with everything you need close at hand, this is it. Clean air, fresh water, and a welcoming community await in one of Leelanau's most cherished villages.